The reason that supercritical CO2 is now a fully commercial solution really comes from two things. The first is that we moved away from using liquid CO2 into the supercritical state, which is a better flowing coolant as well as a much better lubrication regime. So we put those two things together and we've got the cutting figured out. But it isn't just about the cutting. For any carbon dioxide or other gas-based system, you're going to need to provide a solution from the supply tank outside all the way through the machine tool. So what is needed is a turnkey, simple application for folks who use supercritical CO2 technology, and Fusion is here to provide it. We provide the service of bringing the tank to your facility, the piping to the machine tool, the full machine tool integration, as well as support on the cutting. And it's really the suite of those activities which has made it now viable.